Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Y6s, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to go into the settings, and then into the storage right here. Choose your memory card, which for me is the SanDisk, as you can see. And then at the bottom you'll find format options. Tap on that. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from it. So if there's anything that you want to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin. But assuming you don't, you can tap on Erase and Format. The process will begin. It's fairly brief one, it only takes a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used, as it is right now. Tap on OK and you're finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.